Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the language in Snapchat. This is a very simple process, and you can do it in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Make sure that the Snapchat app is installed and updated to the latest version. Updating the app is important because sometimes the language option may not appear in older versions. Once you have updated the app, open Snapchat. After the app opens, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From there, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear icon. After tapping on settings, scroll down slowly until you find the option that says language. When you see the language option, tap on it. You will then be redirected to the language settings page where you can see a list of available languages. On this page, simply tap on Languages and choose the language you prefer from the list. Once you select your desired language, the app will automatically apply the changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in Snapchat. It's that easy and quick to do. Thanks for watching.